before we start, I must welcome our ex-HOD, my friend and your guide, Mr. Philaram Hemlam sir, with around big round of applause. My dear faculties, colleagues, and dear students. So before we start this session, ମୁଁ ସାର୍ଙ୍କୁ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରିବି, ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମଙ୍କୁ ବି ଅନୁରୋଧ କରିବି, ଆମେ ଟିକେ ମା ତାରିଣୀଙ୍କ ଆଶୀର୍ବାଦ ନେବା, ଟିକେ ବ୍ଲେସିଂସ୍ ନେବା, ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଆମ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ମାନଙ୍କର ଉତ୍ତରୋତ୍ତର ଉନ୍ନତି ହଉ। ଆଜି ଯେତିକି ଲେଭେଲ୍ ଅଫ୍ କନଫିଡେନ୍ସ ଅଛି ଆହୁରି 10 ଗୁଣା ବଢ଼ିକି ଥାଉ, ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଟିକେ ସାର୍ ସିଆ ସୁମନ ଅନୁରାଧା
दीपं ज्योति जनार्दनं दीपं ज्योति हरे पापं दीपं ज्योति नमस्तुते दीपं ज्योति नमस्तुते दीपं ज्योति नमस्तुते।
I must appreciate everyone's presence and time for being here. So today in this teaching learning session, I must say this is very important because this will encourage your lateral thinking, decision making, as well as to make you a better person, to take some better decisions in life and for the betterment of this society. So as we all know, we are all gathered over here for discussing, for learning something which is technology based, some projects and their key features and their advantages and merits in this modern era and this modern world. So our goal is to keep this session very clear, productive and engaging. So at last, let us not stretch it long. In short, let us start this session with a big round of applause, a lots of confidence, and definitely a touch of motivation. Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Today, me, Anshuman Nirsamat of 5th Sem Metallurgical Engineering. Today, me and my group going to present presentation on electric arc furnace. Introducing my group members.
Good morning everyone, my name is Gayatri Kaur. Good morning everyone, my name is Arta Pradhan.
Good morning everyone, my name is Shubha Parik.
Good morning everyone, myself Suvanshu Kumar Samal.
Now one by one we are going to present our presentation. Starting with Gayatri.
इलेक्ट्रिक फर्नेस पर मैं इलेक्ट्रिक फर्नेस लेता हूँ, जिसमें मैं इलेक्ट्रिक आर्क यूज करता हूँ। हाई हीट देके बेल्टिंग और रिफाइनिंग को मेथड को सर प्राइमरीली इसके इलेक्ट्रिक को फर्नेस है। खास कर एक बेल्टिंग जो आर्क में ग्राफाइट इलेक्ट्रोड्स देके दूसरे को हीट करता हूँ। Condensed number of 4000 degree centigrade heat.
About the principle and the history of electric arc furnace. The main principle of electric arc furnace is based on the generation of the electric arc, generation of intense heat from the electric arc, which melts the scrap metal.
I'm going to explain the construction components of the electric arc furnace. A cell. A cell is a cylindrical steel structure that is the main frame of the furnace, which have the refractory linings in it. After that, we have the hard portion or the bottom portion, a disc-shaped section that holds the molten metal and slag, which is lined multiple layer of heat resistance materials that we call as refractories, typically magnesite and dolomite rings.
Today I will discuss about the types of electric arc furnace. So there are two types of arc furnace. One is indirect furnace and two is direct furnace or indirect furnace. So these are our group members.
Good morning everyone. My name is Rajkumar Mandu. Good morning sir and madam. My name is Bhuvani Sampath. Good morning sir and ma'am and everyone. My name is Jiteshwar Sadhya.
Good morning sir. My name is Rajkumar Mandu. Introduction. Steel production begins with
And the required raw material are sent to the mixing drum. Where the raw material properly mixed and blended properly. Okay, for this conversion of in carbonization process. Carbonization process are the absence of air, which is used to produce pig iron from their spores.
And about migration of the blast furnace. According to the characteristic and structure of raw material used in blast furnace, the blast furnace divided into major 5 parts. Starting from
The converter is a basic oxygen steel making process.
Furnace must be strong and heat resistant, and for choosing a right refractory and maintaining it properly, make sure the proper longer furnace life and better steel quality.
First, Anuradha will continue the presentation.
Today I will discuss about secondary steel making. Primary steel making is occurred in a furnace like open heart furnace, ladle furnace, basic oxygen furnace, electric arc furnace. When the requirement is very specific, then we have go for a secondary steel making process.
Why we do casting? So we do casting to give required shapes to the molten steel. First of all, after refining from the furnace, the molten steel through the ladle.
तो कितने ज़्यादा स्टील ले कौन सी टेंजर प्रॉपर्टी पाया अपने कुछ तो तुम्हें बहुत जैसा आर्ट करता है at last जैसे मैं हमें कुछ स्टील को solidify करते सेतले solidify रे यदि हमें कोड प्रॉपर्टी लॉस करते कि प्रॉपर्टी टा हमें पाऊ नहीं सेतले ताको रिमेल्टिंग करिया पय हमको टाइम टेकिंग ने आ बहुत हमरो
तो जते हमरो स्टील दा मार्केट माने गोटे कस्टमर को सेल हेबार थाई ता आगुर हमरो प्रॉपर्टी क्वालिटी लाइक डक्टिलिटी हो हार्डनेस हो प्रॉपर ग्रेन हो प्रॉपर माइक्रोस्ट्रक्चर हो कंपोजिशन इस टाइप रो हमरो छोटे छोटे सैंपल नेकी टेस्टिंग हेथे जोथरे के परे माने जते हमरो कस्टमर रो डिजाइन प्रॉपर्टी को मैच करिया पे
Thanks to HRD madam, Parasmita madam for a nice and innovative way to conduct a project, and thanks to all the faculties of metallurgy department and all the staff, and very much thanks to Khelram sir, our ex-HRD and today's external, and thanks to all your students for your cooperation for this project program. Project presentations, and thanks to everyone for all the cooperation and well organized program. Thanks.
So good afternoon everyone. So respected HOD sir and Suvendu sir, madam. So first of all I would like to thank the Department of Metallurgy by Subhi Commission for being invited me as an external examiner. So it is very privileged moment for me for being here with you, and I observe all of your presentation, all of your project work. It was very good, very learning objective. Your presentation is also very good, but some of you are missing some content delivery average, not on all, only it can be improved later on. So I wish be ready for your next project phase 2, and I hope the extent of improvement should be better than the today's presentation. So that's all from my side. I hope we will do better in your future. Thank you.